So let me show you guys how to record to a mini DVR. For a tapeless setup for camcorders. So first you're gonna need an EASYCAP with RCA inputs. You're gonna need one of these mini DVRs. .5mm AV2 RCA, or you can get a male-to-male 3.5mm of jack. I didn't have one of those available. So I used this RCA to composite adapter came with my TV. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so basically, plug the 3.5mm jack into the AV output on your camcorder. And plug the other 3.5mm jack into the AV input on the DVR. You're gonna take the cable that came with the DVR. Just come with two cables. I just bought the second hand, so I had to buy another one. This is the kind of upper charger. You're gonna plug that into the AV out on the DVR. If you want to see it on a monitor. If you don't need to see it on a screen, skip this. You're gonna put this into actually. So, one thing is that the red and yellow plugs here are switched. Play around with it to see what works for you. Didn't work for me personally. Well, next you're gonna plug the video jack into the yellow port on your EASYCAP. Then hopefully you're gonna go on TOBS. Add a video capture device. You're gonna click on AV to USB as your capture device. It should come out with a black screen, cause your camera isn't on yet. Then it should work once you turn it on. Then, the last thing you have to do is to turn on the BVR. This one's fully charged shortly. And right now we have no memory card in it, cause I'm using it onto here. But as you can see, it's working on the screen. Let's put a memory card and see how we can record this. Now the card error is gone. So as you can see, there's a bit of signal loss because of the amount of slack on the cables. So if you can get a shorter cable, that would be great. All you have to do is press the left button over here. And it should start recording onto the DVR. So you can do this, basically without this output over here on OBS. But I like to see it on screen sometimes. So yeah, this would work for a tapeless. I haven't seen anything online reviewing this, but the quality isn't gonna be as if you do FireWire. But it works, so if you want to go tapeless, this is the cheapest way to go. Audio isn't gonna be great, but here are some sample recordings.